What's going on, everybody? Tom and Russell here. We're out in the great outdoors today getting some vitamin D. It is a roasty 84 degrees, which doesn't sound hot, but when you're used to 54 degrees, it's pretty warm. We're sitting on the tailgate of a 2023 Frontier Pro 4X. Russell has in his ropey arms a Nismo leveling lift kit. We're going to put this on this truck. We're going to take some measurements before the lift kit goes on. We're going to show you the reassembly, disassembly, reassembly. We're going to do a comparison of stock parts to the Nismo parts, and then we're going to take measurements once it's all done. Yes. So let's dive in, get the tape measure out, etc., etc. All right. You've now installed your 1.5-inch Nismo Off Road Frontier lift kit.
Ta-da! The sun's at the brightest it's been all year.